How to remove check marks from your PDF.
Alright, ever get stuck in PDF form in Adobe Acrobat and just can't seem to get rid of the checkmark? It's like it's stuck there and won't but right, frustrating. Well, don't worry, it's actually super easy to fix it. Let me show you how. It's a couple of clicks. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Got it open? Great. Now what you can do in order to delete this check mark from the PDF is simply tap on it. And then you will see three options right over there. The first one is smaller A, making it smaller, and there's a bigger A that makes it bigger. And the third one is delete option. So what we need right now is the delete button right over here. Simply tap on it and tada, you have successfully removed check marks from a PDF through Adobe Acrobat. Wasn't that easy? So that was the whole process on how you can remove check marks from your PDF through the Adobe Acrobat. So there you have it. No more battling with these stubborn check marks. Go for it and conquer those PDFs. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.